We have run into a problem. We cannot keep filming on this big camera. This is my Canon EOS R, which I use for work, and I can't keep vlogging with it because it's pretty big and it's annoying to take around. So, hence the solution. I just bought a camera for promoting some work stuff, so I can also use it for the channel. That worked out pretty well. But yeah, so we'll be switching to the vlog camera in 3, 2. Yep, it's a little bit lower quality. So before we were using our Canon EOS R and our special Rode mics here, but on this setup we currently have a Rode Go mic, a Canon M50, and a Joby Gorilla Pod, which I'm going to be changing to the Switch Pod one day. But today we have a special video.
We're struggling.
We're not struggling. We're installing a downpipe today on Harold's car. Today Harold is going Prl Catted Downpipe. Not catless, he's a loser, but yeah. So far all he's done is taken off the intake. He's struggling, and I haven't tried helping yet. But now that I'm going to help, I'm going to time lapse and show you guys me taking it out, because he does not know what he's doing around here.
We're skipping steps.
It's not an install video, so I'm sorry. Don't watch it. You guys can go ahead and watch an install video from Cameron Hill or someone.
Yes, sir. Let's go.
Okay, so not only did I get a camera for marketing, I also went ahead and got a GoPro for any other purposes I might need for my business. But obviously this can be applied to the vlog, so we're getting the best of both worlds by getting equipment like this. So this is the GoPro. Interesting. It's not the best. I mean, it looks pretty cool. Very wide, very stable, very interesting. He's gonna be having a Prl Catted Downpipe paired with he's got the MA Performance quad tip exhaust that will be doing some nice sound clips on, hopefully. Oh, what bolts you got down here?
Man, I'm fine. I'm getting these bolts off immediately.
Oh wow.
I know y'all see the strength, man.
The GoPro view. And then we got the trusty old EOS R here filming our time lapse, so I'll just let the time lapse continue. Look what we removed. We got the stock downpipe out, and now we're gonna put in the PRL. We're all wrapped up here after a lot of hardships. That was a pain in the ass to get things back on. Some bolts gave us a hard time, so it took us longer than we hoped. But we are done. The car's being reflashed right now, but yep. Let's get a cold start.
What'd you say?
Wow.
Yeah, duck it down.
Oh, that's really loud. Oh wow, that's good. That's really good sound. Go for a drive, see if it pulls any differently. No, I'm gonna expose you on this one, buddy. Alright, this is a new mic, so I don't know how well it picks up the audio, but almost be feeling like a stock Type R at that point.
If I did catless, nah.
I think catless would have been way too loud for
Yeah,
this
it's
car,
like-
but the catted is good. Put it on the side here for some sound clips. Go ahead. Damn, it's got some nice purples. I think we get the idea, bro.
I think we do too.
Type R.
I don't know.
Bro, you need to run it against a stock
Have
one.
somebody pull up with a stock.
What the fuck? After a long, painful day with this piece of shit, it's pretty successful, I would say. We will begin the track series for the Type R in the next video you guys will see. So this was kind of like the last filler vlog for a while. I just wanted to introduce some of my new gear and stuff. That'll be all for today. Thank you guys for watching.
Never stop dreaming.
Oh, yeah,